Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'll be doing days 9 through 17th of the 30-day minimalism game in this video. If you haven't checked out days 1 through 8, I'll link it below. First, I have to apologize for the tardiness of this video. I was just about to edit this video when I got sick. It was a snowstorm of coughing, sneezing, and cold medicine. You know the fun wintertime drill. I'm not totally well yet, but it's getting to be way too late to post Christmas time stuff, so the show must go on. Let's get nutcracking! Day 9, and I'm going to start over here on what was once my couponing stockpile rack. I don't coupon anymore, so this is just storage and Katie's lounge area. I'm going to grab some Christmas tissue boxes from this bin. Please excuse the dust. The box on the left is for my mom. The 2 boxes stacked up are for friends. And these 2 boxes are for me to use during Christmas time. Aren't they so cute? Back on the shelf to the right, I'm going to get rid of this fan that is broken and this monster phone that is used only for decoration purpose even though it works. Kinda reminds me of Mike Wazowski. Out of my cramped bathroom cabinet, I'm going to grab a curling iron and a bottle of hairspray for my mom. It's somewhere in there. I found this eye mask and garment bag. They're both torn and I'm not counting them, but they're going in the trash. With the addition of the Halloween basket and the spice jar, that makes 9 items for day 9. Starting day 10, I'm going to get rid of this Mickey and Friends calendar. Although I think calendars are fun to look at, I never actually refer to them for information. The calendar is still on November, and before that I had it on September, and now it's December. So I'm going to give up on wall calendars and stick with the one on my phone. And for someone that doesn't use wall calendars, I have a plethora. These were gifts and haven't even been opened. I should have given them to other people, but it's too late now. Those 4 calendars are going, along with an outdated IKEA catalog, a strand of string lights, 3 pens, and this Halloween decoration. 10 items. Here are some bonus items. I have an early company Christmas party, and this is for the person I picked for Secret Santa. A total of 6 items. She happens to like Hello Kitty, and I know she drinks coffee, so she'll enjoy the mugs. Presto, all wrapped up and ready to be gifted. Day number 11, back at my storage rack, I'm going to go into this drawer and grab those 3 little boxes that contains mini speakers. My husband is getting rid of 5 pairs of jeans, and that one on top is mine. It's a little bit too big, so I'll be donating it. And these were the speakers I removed earlier from the drawer. There's the 3rd. And a downsizing mug. And I thought maybe I should have kept it to remind me that I'm downsizing, but no, keeping is not the name of the game. And this sweater here, super cute for the holidays, but I'm going to return it to the store because there's a snag on the sleeve when it arrived in the mail. So I'm going to do myself a favor and get rid of this one item instead of keeping it and getting my money back. So here are the 11 items. Day 12, I'm getting rid of these items, starting with these worn out slippers. My Tom's looks good on the outside, but the inside is all messed up. The tea lights are from my bathroom. Open flames around a kitty spells trouble, so out they go. The cauldron candle is super cute, but does not burn well at all. Memory card case, a Halloween printout, 2 Tinkerbell air fresheners, a cupcake tape dispenser, I have a cuter one I'm keeping, and a kitty toy that he doesn't like so much. 12 items. Previous items, all packed up and ready to go. Trash, trash, trash. Day 13, those car costumes, a werewolf and a bat. I've had for years and I have not used them, so it's time to let go. These Target gift cards are empty, but I kept them around because I thought they were cute. This old iPod case and some McDonald's toys. I'm gonna see if my niece and nephews want them. A recipe box full of random recipes. 13 items. Look at this guy right here. He won't leave my booties alone. I did treat myself this Christmas season to 12 days of socks, and I have a drawer bursting with socks, but I will declutter my socks so I can make room for these. Let's open day 1. And I timed it so that I have 1 pair to open on Christmas. Here is day 1. So cute. Day 14, you may be wondering why I'm getting rid of Christmas decorations during Christmas. But I have more than enough to decorate my place, and I'm a bit over these, so maybe somebody else can enjoy them. The tablecloth I don't particularly like the pattern of, or the color. Pecan pralines. Anybody thinking of I Love Lucy? They're expired. A Groot toy. I'm going to pass this along to my niece and nephews. Look at this guy. He's still going after my booties. Empty candle. A kitty mat. A wallet that can go to my nephews or niece. And a candle. With this flower pot with paint chipping off, problems with buying things from dollar stores, makes 14 items. 12 days of socks number 2. Minnie Mouse. So cute. Day 15, and this is where my tower of mess was. And look at it now. I cleaned it off and there's clutter again. But let's grab this oil warmer here. An oil warmer, neti pot, 2 fall decor items, and 3 Christmas tablecloths. 3 avocado plants you saw in my kitchen declutter. They were little seedlings before. A succulent and onion plant. Wrapping gifts is always a blast with Kitty around. These gifts are going out to relatives that live out of state. I'm gonna count just the 2 gifts. It's Easter grass right there, but I'm using any excuse to get things out of the house. And hey, it's green, so why not? Ready for item 15? My giant candy cane! It's so cute, but it takes up so much space, so I'm going to give it up to my nephew and my niece. They'll love it for Christmas. 12 days of socks number 3. Mickey shorts! Aren't they cute? Here's a try-on. Day 15, this kitty hammock is going to a friend's kitty for Christmas, 2 Hello Kitty necklaces, and this book of doodling and coloring. This is as far as I've gotten in the months I've had it, so it's time to let it go. 2 string lights for Halloween, and the orange ribbon, a pencil holder, a laser pointer, a mouse laser pointer. He has plenty of lasers, so I could give these away. The mug's going to my mom. 3 pens and a hair tie makes 15 items. 12 days of socks number 4. Polka dot Minnie Mouse socks. Cute. Day 16, most of these are gifts except for those 2 orange acorns on the messenger bag. The Halloween clothespins, the chunky pen, and the Christmas elf hat decor thingy. But the rest are going to people. Ignore the pointing finger. I don't know what I was doing there. With the addition of this going to a friend for a late birthday, that makes day number 16. Day number 5 for socks. I love the silhouette print. Day number 17, the 2 wallets, the box in the back with a speaker in it, and there's a little baggie with earbuds. The Starbucks tumbler are all gifts for Christmas. And the 2 tablecloths are going to my mom because she says she likes them, and I happen to have more. The rest are going to be donations. And that concludes day 17. These are the presents I actually bought this year because I couldn't find suitable things for the people I'm gifting them to. And I'm not going to give things to people just because I have them, and it's got to be suitable. And these are the gifts that I actually found suitable for people, so all this will be going. Part 2 of my 30-day minimalism game is finished. Stay tuned for part 3, possibly part 4. I'll try to fit it into one video if I can, as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you had a nice holiday. Like and subscribe for more decluttering fun. Bye, guys! And have a safe and wonderful new year.